Now, before leaving, I will try to mention some qualities of a student from a text. I will tell you essence, not tell you what is the original text, because it is not in your language. What qualities a student should have? There are 5 qualities student should have. And these qualities are derived from your nature, from different kind of animals. The first one is crow's persistence. What is the quality of crow? Crow makes persistent efforts to get his desire. Similarly, a student should have a thirst for knowledge and make tenacious efforts to acquire it. Right? Clear? This lesson we derive from crow. The second one is crane's focus. Focus, concentration. A student should have focus, concentration, what he wants. The third one is he should have alertness of a dog. Dog is very alert. His sleep is very alert, and in a slight sound he wakens up. So if your exam, if your interview, you should be able to leave your sleep and start studying. The fourth one is light eater. A student should eat light food just to sustain his body and mind for learning. The fifth quality is he should be able to leave his comfort zone. He should be detached from the material comforts, and he should be ready to leave home for getting good studies. Got? Okay? Now, how to increase your concentration? I will tell you 5 points in your hand. You need to compress these points in morning, and each point 3 times in morning, so that this will enhance your immunity, and 99% of diseases you will be far away from that, and your concentration will enhance. Let us do that. Should we do that? Tips of your fingers. First one is, this is the ring finger. You will start and you will compress this point with pressure. Right? First point. Second point, you will start from this. First point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point. Over. Now, first point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point. This is one cycle. Right? First point, start from ring finger. First point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point. Then in this end, first point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point. This you will do in morning 3 times. Your concentration will increase, and you will be away from 99% diseases if you do it regularly, right? Fine? Okay, thanks a lot for patient learning. You enjoyed in the session? Thank you. One thing I mentioned you, if you want more efficacy, more efficiency, then close your eyes while doing it, right? You can do by having your eyes open, but it will be better if you close your eyes. And while doing, you can think about anything. Your mother, your father, your God, Jesus Christ, anything, right? God? Thanks.